Today's vehicles have more advanced technology, exotic steels, and new materials than ever before. In fact, while an F-35 fighter jet has 25 million lines of code, the average car already has more than 150 million lines of code. And a greater percentage of software will be devoted to in-car entertainment and safety features in the future. Today, more than 80% of new vehicles feature advanced driver assistance systems, and it is predicted that by 2025, every new model vehicle in North America will be ADAS equipped. These highly sophisticated vehicles have zero tolerance for defects, which means repairers need to follow exact repair procedures from the automobile manufacturers on how to repair the vehicle to return it safely to the road. Yet, as few as 20% of repairs make use of OEM repair procedures, which means that research and planning for vehicle repair is still the exception and not the norm, even as cars are getting more complicated. Most repairers rely on solutions designed to establish the cost of repair or technician memory instead of information directly from the automobile manufacturer. Software developed 20 years ago to calculate repair costs for insurance claim processing was not designed for repair planning and do not include critical information required to safely repair the vehicle. Repairers say existing research portals are not user-friendly, requiring too much time and effort to find repair data, saying it can take hours of unpaid research time. Without taking time to create a repair plan with OEM repair procedures, shortcuts result in more improperly repaired vehicles. In many cases, vehicle owners file a warranty claim thinking a post-repair defect is vehicle or brand related. Research shows over half of vehicle owners switch brands when they think a vehicle has been improperly repaired. In a worst-case scenario, serious injuries like the industry-changing John Eagle case can occur in the event of a secondary accident due to compromised structural integrity. Automobile manufacturers update repair procedures continuously, even years later. How can repairers be confident that they have the latest information to know how to repair the vehicle, let alone repair it safely? The solution is a platform that is intuitive and makes it quick and easy to find OEM repair procedures sourced directly from the automobile manufacturer. A platform that makes it easy for repair technicians to read and use automobile manufacturer procedures during the repair. A platform that enables the repairer to create a repair plan that automatically finds related procedures and highlights single-use parts that are damaged due to disassembly and must be replaced. A platform that encourages collaboration between the repair planner, the estimator, the technician, the body shop, and the insurance carrier. A platform that documents the repair process to demonstrate compliance with automobile manufacturer standards, ensuring the vehicle's fit, finish, durability, and safety. In short, a platform that makes it easy to do the right thing. What is this platform? This is RepairLogic, the next-generation repair planning platform that connects repairers to the automobile manufacturer and insurance carriers through modern technology to deliver documented, safe, and proper repair outcomes.